Hey, camping friends. Did that sound weird?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Hello.
How do? Hey.
Oh, it's such a challenge.
I know. The camera makes me nervous. Anyways, hey, do you know what today is?
Thursday, my day off.
No. It's the start of the 2019 camping season!
It's my day off, and he made me to get up early and wash this camper and do all kinds of stuff. He never lets me have a day off.
Hey, everybody.
Put your sleeves down. You look like a retard.
Oh, that's a cool look. All the kids are doing it nowadays. Okay. Fine. Look at this beautiful Whitehawk. It is washed. Come on, let me show you around. So we got up today. We uncovered it a couple weeks ago. We didn't do anything but sweep it out. Today we washed the roof. We just washed it with a little hand mitten and a little bit of Dawn dish soap and cool water. That's what Jayco recommends. But it went a whole year and a half before we bought it without being washed, and I was up there for 2 hours scrubbing that roof. So if anybody has a better idea, let me know in the comments. Then Heather and I washed the whole entire rig. Come on. And what else did we do, babe? We got the bed put back in, our clothes put back in, checked for leaks, and I had a lot of water on that roof, especially up on top of the slide out, because you can't, when you clean that, you pretty much have to lay on the roof, reach out and scrub the top of that slide out. And I had a lot of water sitting up there. Nothing came in. It's essentially ready to go. All we have to do is de-winterize and throw in maybe some warm clothes like this. I don't know why I have the sweater on. It's like 70 degrees out today. But, yeah, it was soaking wet and I'm a little bit chilly. So, I'm going to take the camera now. Heather's going to take us inside and talk about a few things.
So inside, what'd we do? I used Pledge on all the wood.
Pledge works really well. What do we used to use? A damp cloth.
Yeah.
Pledge just bright. Actually, Pledge works really well on these because fingerprints show up really easy on the tables, and Pledge pulls those fingerprints right off.
But if you have this setup, don't ever use Pledge on this.
No.
It'll make a mess.
It will make a mess.
So I just used Windex
Yeah.
on this to clean it. Last year we had all of our wires hanging down from the TV.
You have 3 wires. You have your power cord, you have your cable line, and you have your HDMI line. And when we got the rig, he pretty much told us, you can try to figure out the wires on your own. And they were a mess all last year.
So we did.
But I redid everything, pulled the TV off. There is not much room in between the edge of the TV and the wall, and this side is even less. To try to get your arms back behind there to release the bracket. And Heather and I fiddled with it for a while. We finally got it released. Pulled the TV off, redid all the wiring back there, and that looks a lot better. Heather's going to probably take something and put it in here, decorative, because the edging of this wall back here, if you can see, it's kind of bubbled. You know, it's the cheap, it's not panel. It's kind of, yeah, it is kind of like paneling. But if there's something we can get to hide that, we're going to throw it in there.
So 2 things we did in here.
That door normally only went to right there. That's all the farther you used to be able to open that door. there used to be a stopper up there. We took that off. We're going to fill in that hole. Now you can open that door all the way. I still think we need to get rid of the toilet roll. Who wants to look at toilet paper in the living room?
The other thing we did, you guys, was we moved this mirror up. You can see how far down it used to come. We need to get some kind of like furniture marker or something to cover this. But literally, we're tall people, 5'10". This mirror, you used to be able to look at yourself from like here.
Okay. I used to have to go like this to see myself. I have no idea why they mounted it so low.
It's for short people.
But yeah, that was
just a few cosmetics we need to touch up.
Yep.
And figure out what we're going to do with this toilet paper holder.
Where else could we put it?
I don't know. So the floor has not been cleaned. The carpet's been swept. We've not de-winterized yet. We need to do that, but unfortunately we have a lacrosse game tonight, so it's not happening today.
We started at what time?
About 9 o'clock this morning.
9 a.m. and we did get a lot done, but we're gonna unfortunately have to stop.
I have a solution for towels.
Oh yeah, look at this new solution.
Don't mind this. This is a mess.
That is beautiful though. Look at those bins. You're wonderful, babe.
I know.
Snazzy ideas. Look at our bed.
And the bed's been
The bed is
brought
made.
back in.
So, we are pretty much ready. We got to de-winterize.
I have to reorganize.
Reorganize, de-winterize. And then we're ready. Our first trip is April 25th.
Mm-hmm.
This is late start for us. We're normally out in March, but we've been pretty busy.
We have Ohio weather hasn't cooperated much either.
But we normally don't care what the weather's doing. We just go.
It's been a lacrosse frenzy.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're pretty excited. We're going quite a few places this year that we've never been to.
And one place that we've been to many, many times, but we've never recorded there.
It's Hocking Hills.
What?
Hocking Hills.
Yes. We've been to Hocking Hills. I've been going to Hocking Hills with my son since he was 4, staying in a tent. And we've never recorded. We just go there and enjoy it. But this year I think we're going to record and try to get some different stuff.
Take you on our adventures.
Take you on our adventure.
It's going to be an exciting season. We're looking forward to camping with some friends we've made along the way.
And maybe new friends.
Maybe new friends. You never know.
So, enjoy the season. Everybody keep it safe. Keep it on the road. And
remember, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories made around it. We'll talk to you guys soon.